Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create your Snapscore video trend for TikTok and Instagram Reel. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So in this video trend, the user is basically showing a video of themselves and then they're showing a screenshot of their Snapchat score. So let me show you how to create this video on your TikTok app or your Instagram Reel. So to create this video trend, you want to open up Snapchat. Next, you want to tap on your profile emoji here, the top left. Now here, you're looking for your Snapchat score, which is right here. So go ahead and tap on your Snapchat score and you'll see your Snap score. So the next thing you need to do is take a screenshot of the Snapchat score. Now you've taken a screenshot. Now next, you want to open up TikTok. Then you want to tap on the plus sign to post a video. Now you want to tap on upload. Now take a video and then take your Snapchat score. Upload 2 of these video items. Tap on next. Now to add text, and you want to put down what is your Snap score. Next, you want to add your audio, add any trending sound to it. Now you can go ahead and post this video to your TikTok account. And that is how to create the video trend, show your Snap score video for TikTok or Instagram. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.